Go.
Where am I? You at my house. Caillou? What? Why am I at your house?
Shut up, hoe.
Call me up. Knock you out, boy.
What's over there?
What am I doing here anyway?
Well, I played with you during your sleep. So,
Go.
I kidnapped you.
That sounds fun.
Well, yeah, it was for me.
Why'd you bring me here anyway?
This is a game. It's called 3 rounds. Okay? So, there is only one rule. There are no rules.
Isn't that a rule?
No, it's not, you son of a... Okay, the rules are, if you lose 2 rounds, you die. But if you win 2, I let you go. And if you lose 1, well, we'll have to see about that. Okay, so the first round is... Okay. Ow!
Go.
Okay, the first round is whoever cries first. I will do something to you, and then you'll do something to me. You're first. What do you want to do to me?
Let's see. I will make you cry.
Well, duh, that's the point of the game, stupid. Where you going? Where you... Oh. Ah! Help me! Help me!
Now that I'm comfortable, lick my butt cheek. Ah, you like that? You like butt? You like butt? You win.
Round 1 goes to Gangsta Mama.
Okay, round 2 is truth or dare.
Okay.
So, Gangsta Mama, truth or dare?
Come on now, I'm in a meeting and I'm ready to rap. What? Oh. Truth.
Okay. Okay, Gangsta Mama, your question is, dun 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 dun, have you ever kissed a woman?